Hello everyone, I'm teacher Dai Yue. Welcome to my online course, Motion Graphic Design. In our previous session, we learned the design techniques for motion graphic storyboard scripts. Understanding that a good script should cover visuals, duration, voiceover or subtitles, and storyboard descriptions. We also explored 4 visual design techniques, turning text into visual symbols, using animation for abstract concepts, blocking data visualization, and utilizing color for physiological and psychological impact. Additionally, we covered 6 transition designs: overlay transition, camera movement transition, transformative transition, partial transition, same object translation, and decorative graphic transition. Now let's image this. With our preliminary copy and storyboard scripts in place, what's the next step? In this session, we'll move on to the third step in the dynamic graphic production process, material illustration. Visual styles. Before diving into material illustration, it's crucial to establish the visual style based on early planning. Currently, motion graphics visual styles can be broadly categorized into 4 types: flat style, dot line face style, MBE outline style, and illustration style. Flat style. This style is commonly seen in graphic animation influenced by interface design. It typically features geometric shapes, simplicity, faultlessness, and easy recognition. When drawing in the flat style, attention should be given to using color brightness, hue, saturation, and to differentiate structures, sometimes incorporating simple shadows. Dot line face style. Often abstract, this design style is rarely used to portray characters. Instead, it relies on simple elements like dots, lines, shapes, and text. Through combination and transformation, it works in tandem with text, music, and achieves storytelling goals. A notable example is Apple's opening video for the 2013 Worldwide Developers Conference. MBE outline style. This style involves filling with displaced outline illustrations, appearing cute and suitable for depicting cartoon characters. In graphic animation, seeing this style involves the flow of outline lines and the flash changes of decorative elements, creating a rhythmic visual appeal. Illustration style. This graphic style tends to look relatively complex with bolder use of colors. It often combines gradients with solid colors, breaking away from the traditional flat styles, single color limitation due to the rich color palette and occasional addition of textures in the visuals. It can create various atmospheres.
亲密的礼物。我是青梅小清新一枚，这2位是我的亲闺蜜。芦荟温柔淑女，绿咖啡高冷御姐，人送外号亲密3CP。我们之间的这份情感是上天给我们最好的礼物。当我烦恼去外搓时，他们可以帮我解忧排毒，令我焕然一新。爱吃就任性大吃，有人帮忙收拾残局。失恋的痛苦可以彻夜狂吐，有人愿意消化所有的坏情绪，我们仨让彼此越变越美好，这就是最亲密的味道了吧？要经过长时间自然而然的发酵，才能产生最纯粹、最浓厚的感情吧。甘甜又有点烈，这就是我的亲闺蜜送给我最好的礼物了。亲密植物酵素，26种果蔬配比，天然纯粹零添加，自然古法酿造。排毒清体黄金 CP 出品，每一个亲闺蜜礼物还能亲上加亲，把想对她说的话制成视频、音频或卡片，让这份礼物暗藏玄机。她收到亲密时，就能解码你的心意。
我们之间是不是也可以发酵发酵？
亲密的礼物给亲爱的你，亲密植物酵素。
Click style. This type of graphic animation blends and overlays paper, photos, or other materials, combining the realistic image elements of photos with the flat vector elements. This distinctive visual style stands out, making it easily distinguishable from other styles.
帕尔多从字面上是指兔子或犬类这种温顺小动物的耳朵。可是，在四川，帕尔多还被指代为怕老婆的男人。那你知道帕尔多是怎么由来的吗？最初，帕尔多被指向于在四川成都一种加了耳朵的自行车。加了耳朵的自行车？对，这种自行车由成都男人自行改装，目的是为了更方便载自己的老婆出行。后来随着经济发展，这种被改装的2座自行车逐渐消失，可帕尔多这种称呼被延续了下来。你看，形容一个男人帕尔多，也从另一个角度表示他爱老婆咯。帕尔多的帕不是字面意义上的怕，这背后体现的是丈夫对妻子的尊重和爱护。早在古代，四川女性从事蜀绣、蜀锦等手工业制作，其收入是家庭收入的另一重要来源。而在现代，四川女性接受教育的程度，从业比例相比男性也更高。你说，四川女性麻辣直爽，勤劳勇敢；四川男性宽容大度，温和柔善。男性对女性尊重宠爱，夫妻之间互相尊重，自然融洽。
Character design. The rational design of animated characters directly impacts the overall quantity of the animation, as characters are key conveyors of information. Graphic animation characters typically possess geometric, flat, and smooth lines features. When drawing characters, intricate details like subtle facial expressions and clothing details are often overlooked. Sometimes to meet the script requirements after determining characters and drawing their front view image, multiple angle views of the character, typically at 45 angles or 90 degrees rotations, are also drawn. Scene design. Scenes serve as the backdrop of character activities, while scene refers to the animation settings, which is the time and scenery encompasses perspectives and foreground-background relationships defining the space. Time and space are two characteristics of scenes. MG animation scene design needs to align with the overall theme and style of the animation. For instance, if the animation revolves around a rural theme, the scene design should evoke a pastoral feel. Conversely, if the theme is Sichuan opera performance, the scene design needs theatrical elements. Characters often interact with the scenes, acting as the stage for their performance, conveying script elements such as location, time, and environment. These scenes can encompass structures, natural landscapes, or abstract spaces. It's crucial to note that every scene change implies a transition occurrence. In graphic animation, scene compositions often lean towards flat compositions and centered compositions. Flat compositions. Flat composition based on parallel perspective omits spatial perspective relationships. The sideline and horizontal and depth planes of the scene remain parallel, forming a 90-degree angle with a vertical plane. A fixed horizon line distinguishes vertical and parallel planes. Typically indoors, these might be designed as walls and floors, while outdoors it could represent the sky and ground. Centered composition. Centered composition places the design emphasis at the center of the frame, creating a simple and concise visual. The shaping of scenes happens at the center of the frame, often with a basic colored layer as the background, resembling a picture-in-picture format. Scenes are often represented by basic shapes or other graphics, commonly used in graphic animation and UI animation, providing a concise and clear visual image. Color design. In the vast array of colors found in the world, graphic animation design may take a deliberate approach. If every element adheres to this natural color, the final result may not be vibrant, but rather a dazzling array. Besides, color as one of the visual forms and material mediums serves as an effective means of emotional expression and communication. Graphic animation, with its unique presentation style, captures attention not only through distinctive structural forms and concise graphic language, but also through the composition of colors. For instance, the motion graphic work Mountain City 20 blah blah exudes a sense of mechanical aesthetics and retro futurism. The piece boldly employs vibrant magenta and highly saturated blue-purple, creating a visually impactful scene. In contrast, the work Original Discourse opts for extensive use of black, complemented by usage of white, gold, and blue. The overall composition imparts a sense of tranquility, lightness, and profound meaning. Layer processing. Once character and scene materials are created, the next step involves layer processing for the design graphics. Effective manipulation of original materials in After Effects AE relies on layer processing. MG animation typically involves adding keyframes to layers to achieve movement and deformation, bring characters and scenes to life. Therefore, pre-made materials must undergo layer processing to enable the desired dynamic effects. Otherwise, it might not work the way you want. The specific processing steps are as follows. First, ungroup shapes in Adobe Illustrator. Second, select all layers, right-click, and release to layers sequence. This is the end of this class. See you in the next section.